All right, guys, welcome to 14718 House Wren Fall. This is another KB home inventory ready to move in. This home is 2,381 square feet. This is actually the biggest one-story home that KB Home offers in the San Antonio and surrounding areas. So this is the biggest one-story home that you could possibly build or purchase as an inventory. Off to the right-hand side on this home, you'll have your bedrooms number 2 and 3. So this would be bedroom number 2. It does have a good size walk-in closet. And then over here, you have bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 also has a nice walk-in closet. Again, guys, 2,381 square feet. And right here, you have your secondary bathroom. Does have a nice linen closet in it. Knee space as well. All right. Again, all our KB inventory homes do come with an alarm security system. So right here, you have a nice hallway. Off to the right-hand side on this inventory home, you have a nice formal dining area. And then off to your left-hand side, you'll have a nice office area. So this is a nice office area right here. This would be your laundry area. And then there, of course, would be your 2-car garage. Coming over here to the master. This would be the master bedroom. I like how on this floor plan, the closets are separated. So you have one walk-in closet right here. And then you'll have another walk-in closet. In just a second, I'll show that. And you have another walk-in closet right here. Again, the master bedroom, very big in size, especially for a one-story home. All right, coming off to this way for the master bathroom. So you'll have your double sinks. Nice 42-inch garden tub with the tile surround. And of course, nice linen closet. Nice window in here for the natural light. All right, and let's go see the main great room, living room area. The kitchen on this floor plan is also very great. Lots of closet space. Nice little coat closet right here. All right. This is the kitchen. Very great and big in size. Nice island. Silestone countertops. Tall 42-inch cabinets. Whirlpool appliances. Stainless steel. The space on this one-story home is just enormous. Very big, very spacious. All right. Let's go take a look at the backyard on this one. You have a nice covered patio. And again, our homes do come with a fully automated irrigation sprinkler system. So you don't have to worry about watering the grass All right, give me a call or shoot me a text if you want the information on the pricing and the incentives this house has. Thank you guys. Have a great day.